Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good mornings, everyone. Hello, honorable presenter and participant of the second International Conference of Education, Languages, Literatures, and Art 2021, with the themes Blended Learning in the Teaching Languages, Literatures, and Arts. Welcome to the second parallel session. My name is Fahmi Hidayat, and it is an honor for me to be the moderator in the session. Thank you for making time to attend the sessions of Remarkable Conference. The sessions will take 90 minutes and is divided into two sections. The first session is presentation for approximately 10 minutes. Remember, you have 10 minutes to deliver your presentations. And I will remind you if your time is almost over. And the second one is question and answer sessions will be held in 20 minutes. All right. Already joining with us 7 or 6 honorable parallel speakers. First, in the Zoom tree, welcome everyone in the Zoom tree. All right. Before we start, I would like to say hi to the presenter. We have Cindy Kusuma Purtiwi, and then Fitriatun Hasana, and next Neti Kumala, and Desi Karmelasari, and we have another presenter, Mrs. Raisa, and the last one, Mrs. Dini Nor Arini. Welcome all the presenters to join in this parallel session. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us hear from the first presentations. Neti, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready. Wait.
Okay, it should be Cindy, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Okay, Cindy, because you're the
Cindy
first one.
Ulun, sir. Oh, Cindy kah, sir?
I just asked you, ready or not? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Wait.
Okay.
Yes. First.
Okay, Neti, can you share the screen?
Okay.
All right, I can
Yes, sir.
see your screen, sir. All right. Without further ado, the time is yours. You can begin your presentation.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for the moderator for the opportunity. My name is Neti Kumaldewi, and it's great to see you all. Today, I would like to present this research. The title is Student Perception on the Affecting Factors in Writing Descriptive Essay. Okay. This author of this research are me, Neti Kumaldewi, Ibu Jumariarti, and Bapak Yusuf Al-Arif M. Hum. First introduction, writing is one of English skill that enables students to be able to express their idea in written form. And according to Harmer, writing encourages students to focus on appropriate language use. They can go to what they know in their mind and even see dictionaries, grammar books, or other reference. And in writing, the student also have the difficulties, especially when asked to make an essay should have extensive knowledge, good language use, vocabulary, punctuation, motivation, and abilities to produce meaningful essay, and each sentence in the paragraph to be well connected. According to Jumariarti and Sulistyo 2017, writing for EAFL's learner is challenging because they have problems in the content, vocabulary, grammar, organization, and mechanics. And in order to help students to improve the writing skill, they need to feel competent as writers and motivate to write, as well as the useful factors they get and their interest in writing. According to Bascolo and Galatis, student motivation to write is influenced by perception of their writing competence. It means when they are writing, there are various factors which affect student in achieving a certain goal in writing. It can be from internal or external factor. However, since there are different kinds of acting factor in every student which relates to individual's perception that cannot be equal from each other, The researcher is interested to find out how is the student perception on the writing factors in writing the script essay. And the next is about literature of review. And first is writing essay. Essay is a writing that elaborates the meaning of a term, whether it is divine, concrete, meaning, or abstract. And the next is perception. Perception is the way someone acts according to a thing that they learn towards using something, whether they approve or not of the method or about the thing they learn. And the next is affecting factors in learning. Factor that affect student learning outcome can be classified into two, namely external factor and internal factor. And the next is method. This research applied descriptive design with qualitative approach. The subject of the research were the students from batch 2019 at English Language Education Study Program who were in advanced writing course, and a questionnaire and interview guidelines were used in collecting the data. And the next is about result and discussion. As you can see on the slide, I had three interviews with different sections. First, student stated that she enjoyed in learning English and it motivated her to improve her skill, especially in writing with support from the lecturer who guided her well. Besides that, the student also give her another answer. She liked to write depends on the topic. And the last respondent stated that he doesn't like writing because he needs to be critical person. And based on the finding, it can be concluded that the student interest was influenced by the external factor and internal factors, and this result was compatible with the theory from Daliono, who said a factor that affects student learning outcome can be classified into two, namely external factor and internal factor. And the next is student knowledge. As you can see on this slide, it stated that students knew about descriptive essays, but some students do not know much about descriptive essay, and even they are never written a descriptive essay before. And this finding was consistent with theory of Rorschach that defines knowledge as information associated with experience, context, interpretation, thinking, intuition, and creativity. It can be said that in writing descriptive essay, the student knowledge is information associated with experience, context, interpretation, thinking, intuition, and creativity. Therefore, student understanding relate to structure, language, feature of descriptive essay, and their knowledge of the purpose of descriptive essay, as well as their experience with writing descriptive essay could affect them in writing. And the next is student. This result of interview show that the most of students still had difficulties in writing descriptive essay, such as their illiteracy of the text use, limited vocabulary, lack of knowledge and interest about the topic, student difficulties in organizing idea, and student difficulty to write within the time allocated as previous result reveal. According to Juma Ariarti and Sulistyo 2017, writing is challenging for EFL learners because they have problems in the content, vocabulary, grammar, organization, and mechanics. And the next is about student needs. The result of the interview on the fourth indicator show that most of the students had certain factors that help them in writing the descriptive essay, namely topic familiarity, a quiet and empty place, brainstorming, and the permission of using smartphone or laptops that enable them to check grammar, spelling, and use a translation machine. And these findings are consistent with theory from Daliono, who said the factor that affect student learning can be internal and external factor. So it can be concluded that every student has certain factor that affect them in writing descriptive essay. And for the conclusion, based on the data analysis, students have problems in writing descriptive essay pertaining to limited vocabulary, lack of knowledge in organizing ideas, lack of knowledge on formal writings, lack of motivation, and limited time for accomplishing a piece of writing. Moreover, there are certain factors that affect the student in learning in writing, namely student interest, student motivation, topic familiarity, the need of relaxed atmosphere while writing, and the need of quiet and tidy room, motivation from classmates and lecturer, and the facilities for learning, which include dictionary, handphone, and laptops. This finding imply that there are internal factors and external factors that affect student in writing. Hence, it is suggested to the student to do brainstorming or outlining to organize their idea and maintain good motivation and interest in essay writing. Finally, it is recommended to conduct further study to show the students' problem in writing and reduce the factors that hinder them in developing writing skill. So that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh for the presenter Neti Kumala Sari. Thank you so
Mala
much.
Dewi,
Kumala Dewi, sorry about that. Neti Kumala Sari that's already delivered her presentations. Next, you spent 8 minutes and 38 seconds. And then we move to next presenter. We have Cindy.